Blessed Tuesday, everyone. It's August 20, 2024, and it's a beautiful Tuesday morning. Let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating pa rin kasama ang mga pagsubok natin, challenges and trials, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, exciting, and syempre challenging. At pasalamatan natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga taong nakikimaritis natin pulot sa buhay natin. Shout out to kay Glenda, kay Glensa, kay Pucci, kay Margie Penti, kay Cesar Boris, kay Mamalo, Luis Asusen, Jordan and Judith Sassen, Melody Acosta, Joey Moreno and family, JJ Orejenes and family, Janet Paraag, and Aldi Galvadores ng Malay-Balay Bukidnon, Henry Carly, Mandana Medina, at sa lahat ng technician and staff of Costing Ligan, Samis, Danao del Norte, Zamboanga, and Davao. Ripples of the day natin po is, be mindful of the words you speak to yourself and to others. The right words can inspire and heal. Otherwise, it can make all hope disappear completely. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Good morning and have a blessed Tuesday, everyone.